Yes, guys, print on demand niches or niches. Let's go. So, guys, look, I'm going to show you a way how you can find some really fantastic print on demand new niches, sorry, or niches, quite quickly. There's a few methods of doing this. I'm going to show you one method on this video, and I'll show you a few other methods, other videos, right? So I'm looking for t-shirts, new t-shirts that are selling quite well, just to get some ideas. I'm doing a bit of product research and I want to get some ideas. So what I like to use is a software called EVERBEE, which is a fantastic tool, which will help you, really find those niches quite quickly. Now you don't have to use a software, SEO software, but it really does cut time quickly, makes it very time efficient so that you can actually delve in and really analyze products, which is really fantastic to do. So guys, if you're interested in the software, then click the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, but obviously it's at no cost to you, but it does help the channel. Now what I've done is I've typed in t-shirts at the top. That's all I've done. So that's all I've done is t-shirts, and then I've clicked enter, right? Because that's what I want to look for. Now I'm going to sort it by not lowest or highest, go for the most recent, because what you want to do is you want to find the latest kind of niches that are coming out, because that's the whole point. You want to sort of get the new ones that are coming through. Now the important thing is to find the ones that you think is going to sell, or the ones that are selling, should I say, because you want to analyze, you want to find things that are working. Now look, I'm not going to go for anything in the top line because I see these are all ads, so I'm going to leave these alone. Remember, you want to find ones that have a lot of reviews, ideally, so new but are selling really well, because you know that they're going to be popular, but ideally with low competition. Okay, so I'm going to just have a look and see what ones have quite a few reviews, because I think that's important. And there's I'm not going to look at the ones with, say, the sort of in the hundreds, if you like. I want to get to the thousands, okay, because I think they're probably going to be more likely that they're going to selling quite a lot. Okay, I can see this one. This is quite interesting. Personalized kids dinosaur t-shirt. Personalized t-shirts are quite popular, so I can imagine that was quite popular. You can see this one. It says a Banksy landscape balloon 3000, which is quite good as well. Good number. So you wanna look at numbers that are quite good. Look at this. This is one interesting. Look, if Granddad can't fix it, no one can. DIY t-shirt. This is quite good as well. The best ride cycle, all men are created equally. Let's click on this one. It's in the 1000 plus. Actually no, let's go to the 3000. This is quite a lot, so this is quite decent, good number. Now let's just analyze this. So obviously, as an idea, you can see it's a gift for a granddad or Father's Day present. Probably more of a granddad present, to be fair, by the way it's saying, if granddad can't fix it. Let's just analyze this listing very quickly. Let's just see. It seems like the store has got a lot of sales. This one maybe not so much. It's just 7 total sales. So, you can look at it and get an idea. And also, what's interesting about this is, with the tags that is analyzed through EVERBEE, you get an idea about what's trending as well. So what I like about this is that you can see that the granddad graph, if you like, is trending, granddad shirt. So it might be something you can take a note of, write down, granddad shirt, granddad t-shirt. Look at this, gifts for granddad. Again, can you see the chart is kind of going up? So it seems like it's kind of trending as well. These ones are not trending so much, but these are, it gives you an idea of the volume, and it gives you an idea if they're trending. So this is what I like to analyze. And then obviously it gives you an idea of the listing age and how many sales and so on, but you see this store seems like they sell quite a lot. So I'm just going to click on the store. This one, not so many sales, so I'm not really looking at that one, although don't forget, we're looking at the most recent, but we just want to make sure that there's enough sales there as well. So let's just click on this one. Now looks like these guys just sell all sorts, and I don't really want to look at kind of all sorts. I want to focus on t-shirts, right? So I want to come out of this one. And this is what it is, guys. You know, when you actually do your research, you know, you really have to kind of go there and then try again, come back out, you know, that kind of thing. But, you know, the method that I'm using is an interesting one because it gives you an idea about, you know, how to do things. Now, this one you can see already that sold 17, you know, more than the other one, 12.99. Let's analyze the listing very quickly. You know, and this one is for cyclists. It's the cycling niche. You know, 119 sales. You know, better than the other one. You can see. Now I want to look at these kind of anything like that's trending also for any of the keywords. Okay, that's also good to see. And then I might just click away and just look at the store that they've got and just see what they have, right? So I can see that, you know, they've got all sorts, and what they do is they do go into kind of niches, if you like. You know, they do have niches in there, which is interesting to see. And then you can you know, kind of you can sort of sort it. What I like to do is I like to go over to the product analysis. They like to do in that store, you know, personalized stuff. So with a total, you know, sales, let me just make sure I sort it correctly. Let's have a look. You know, like this one, 489 sales. Okay, it's got 70 reviews. This one, monthly sales 28. Monthly revenue 445. So let's just click on this for example. You know, we want to just really touch on like the highest sellers. You know, this one is a funny brother Funkel t-shirt, fun uncle funny brother. You know, so it's a kind of a kind of funny-ish kind of sort of t-shirt idea, and it's got a lot of views there. You know, quite decent visibility. Review ratio 489 sales is not, you know, it's okay, isn't it? Pretty good for a new listing if it is. Let's have a look at the listing. 17 months. Okay. And then you look at the different type of tags that it uses. So you know that kind of thing is what you want to do. You want to kind of delve in and see what makes something you know, what makes something kind of popular, and then you start taking some notes, and then you go back again, and then you look again and you see what else is selling. So you know what I would do is that's how I'll do it. Let's look at the personalized kids dinosaur t-shirt quickly. Let's see how that does. Let me see what the sales are here. Now that seller's got 13,000 sales. This one's only got 14, really, not that many. So I'm not going to really look too deep into that one. Let me see what the store is, if it's t-shirts or anything else. Seems like they got quite a few t-shirts though, tops and so on. Again, I can analyze that store very quickly and see what's sort of selling really well and just get an idea about how they're doing. Let me just sort it very quickly. You know, this one clearly is a good seller, right? Not too bad, right? 950 sales. Monthly revenue is about 1473. Pretty good. You know, quite a nice little t-shirt there, just for one t-shirt. Remember, Daddy and Daddy's girl. See, this is a good idea. Daddy and Daddy's girl matching t-shirts. So you know, this is the kind of thing that you want to do, guys. You want to kind of look at you want to find something that has decent sales. Go into the store. Let's view this on Etsy. I just want to just kind of see this one. Let me view it on Etsy. Right, this is quite nice, isn't it? You know, Daddy and Daddy's girl matching t-shirts. So you know, this is something that could be quite interesting to do. And then what I would do is I would definitely, like, you know, see there's got 45 sales, you know, good margin, decent margin, analyzing the listing quickly, and you can see again what tags they use. So these are quite good. Look, baby girl gift, Father's Day gift, combination of these, gift for new dad, daddy's little girl, daddy and baby. So you can see that it's, you know, it's interesting because you can actually rank for these kind of keywords, and you can see that, you know, this one is a good seller, and it's a good one to kind of note down and have. and as a niche, as a new niche. And guys, you know, that is how you would do it. This is exactly how you do it. You'd actually use maybe a software like this, and then you would sift through it just through simply, you know, going through t-shirts, right? But ranking it in terms of like the most recent, and through the most recent, look at like the high reviews, and then go into that, look at the store, see what they're selling quite well in, and so on. And then what you're going to do is you're building a picture, you're getting an idea of all the different niches that are coming through, the ones that are new, recent, but are selling well. And then what you're doing is you want to get in there before others come in and becomes a bit too saturated. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, check out my playlist with all the other useful guides on Etsy, and also hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell if you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to check out the links in my description. But as usual, I'm going to bring out more videos on product researching and also finding products at low competition. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.